Hello everyone, welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. So, this video is about changing the icon of Instagram without using any apps for both Android and iOS. You can change your icon to these icons very easy. As I mentioned, you will change the icon by Instagram app because of celebrating the birthday. They will give this feature for the users. So, let's go. Okay, all you need is just updating your Instagram to latest version. After updating the app, first you must go to settings of Instagram right here, then drag your finger to down. Swipe down this page like this, and boom! You can set your favorite icon right now. I set this one and I just quit the app to show you the icon. Okay, done. Just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like it, just hit the like button. Have a good day. See you in the next video.